My name is Alan Orico. I manage the advanced solutions at Desoutter Industrial Tools, and today I'd like to demonstrate to you a newer technology. The station that we're going to be showing today includes our smart drilling tools. It includes process control, motion capture, and the integration of all of our solutions together. So I'm going to be first showing you the entry of a serial number here to our process control solution called Pivotware. It's going to tell me where I have to do the drilling, the precise location. You can see that if I go to the wrong position, the tool does not work. But then if I do go to the correct position, tool works, and then a thrust is required in order to activate the OK signal. There's an indication that tells me to put on the temporary fastener unit. As you can see, this is RFID controlled. It's also modular. Once that has been installed, I can move on to the next step, where then I would place my digital tracking device called the TAGIT. So I tag the particular position that will tell the drilling unit precisely where to put the drill, as well as what piece set to execute during the process. So I'll go to the first position, I'll hit the OK button. There's an OK button and also a not OK button here. I can point to that particular position. And once I've indicated the positions I need to go to, then enables our electric drilling unit, or EDU, to be properly located. And you can see that I've executed the step properly. The hole gets drilled and I'm done with the process.